SSI is committed to providing our users with the most up-to-date tools to bring their projects to life, with improvements to modeling, management, and production of the marine information model. Ongoing improvements to space allocation continues with the ability to directly control the inside radius of elbows. This can be a particularly important option to have available when modeling electrical wireways where the need to control or match minimum bend radius requirements is necessary. This command menu option makes it easy to select the exact radius, providing more control over the space allocation modeling process. Locking has been moved from the Advantage Pack to the ShipConstructor ribbon menu, providing access to locking functionality for all license holders working within ShipConstructor. Now, the locking of project elements such as assemblies, drawings, spools, profiles, and plate nests are now available to all users with a standard hull, structure, pipe, or HVAC license. Hull plate expansion now incorporates the ability to generate egg crate slotted templates utilized during the forming process of complex curved plates, which complements the new plate expansion and expedited plate forming methods introduced in the 2025 R1 release. Egg crate templates are made up of slotted and reshaped flat stock cut to match the intended plate shape, and can be used alone to validate curvature in a single direction or combined to create a three-dimensional egg crate structure. Along with the ability to create slots for the assembly of these templates, ShipConstructor now contains the settings for auto-generating lightning holes to guarantee that the structure is as light as possible to facilitate ease of movement and placement during the forming process. When modeling, planning production output, and while drafting, a designer will often need to view the model in an inverted state, as is the case when setting up assembly drawings for downhand welding operations. With the 2025 R1.1 release, the Invert ISO view allows users to do just this from within the 3D viewpoint dialog. In addition, the orientation icon text remains upright and provides the option for icon properties such as size parameters to be modified directly from within the Properties palette. The Label List palette has been enhanced to display both fully and partially labeled items across multiple BOMs or layouts, and provides the option to scale to view, orient to view, and adjust bubble sizes. In many production and finishing scenarios, having the ability to calculate surface areas accurately is critical, as these values are then used to ensure the appropriate layering, quantities, and densities of consumables applied. Being able to measure surface areas based on compartments means more accurate quantity calculations and better scheduling and delivery of surface coatings and treatments during production, resulting in more accurate estimates and the correct amounts delivered as required, less waste, cost savings, and less overhead and time spent calculating these areas individually. With the SSI 2025 R1.1 release, surface area calculations can be easily obtained using compartment values, and with the click of a button, surface area reports can now be generated on demand. This release speeds up how project managers and engineering teams can visualize their project and compare changes. Within ShipExplorer, the 2025 R1.1 release now includes the option to append objects from ShipbuildingPLM, allowing project modelers to incorporate all necessary project details, revisions, and items to be included in viewable files. This not only expands the scope and capabilities of project managers to properly view all aspects of the marine information and product models, but to see changes in real time as project elements are updated. This change optimizes reviews, simplifies review workflows, and makes it easy to visualize the project's digital thread. And finally, in our continuing effort to provide world-class training for new and existing ShipConstructor users, We have updated the weld management curriculum to include adding and synchronizing weld mark lines to plates within model drawings. Additionally, with our development team's latest enhancements to third-party file generation and machine integration capabilities, our PublisherLT curriculum now contains a section on how the use of operations can streamline the generation of both XML and DXF files for plates and profiles. And lastly, certified curriculum updates cover PlateNest, which now provides detailed instructions on setting up double-side plate mark lines and layer configuration, as well as exporting plate and part DXFs from within ShipConstructor. Find the SSI 2025 R1.1 release of ShipConstructor in the Download section and explore all ShipConstructor features by visiting SSI Nexus today.